Good morning, dear students. Today I am explaining the HTML list. Okay, what is the list and how we will create the list in our web pages. Basically, HTML list is create the list in our web pages. So, list actually, what is the list? List is the most efficient way to presenting information in precise manners. It means by if you want to write your content in a very well mannered, so we need list. So it help to making important point stand out the more clearly, and thus the visitor get the visitors attentions. Okay, so HTML support different types of element that is used to create the list for displaying items in a specific order. Okay, so basically HTML provide the different types of list. First one is on that list, first one is unordered list. Unordered list actually it is a collections of related item that help us to create a sequence but not in a specific order. So how we will create the unordered list? Inside the UL tag. Okay, inside the UL tag. So we just write the UL tag, opening UL tag and closing UL tag. UL, the full form of UL is a unordered list. Each item in the list marks with bullet sign. Okay, the output of this is in bullet sign, so that's why it's called the bullet list also. So first we write HTML, then body tag, and it is a message. If we want to give the message S2, so it write the heading. Okay, then the main list item start from here. First is unordered list, then we just give the list item. These list items are shown in a bullet form, so that's why it's called bullet list. Okay, so here look at no sequence, no numbers, so that's why it's called the bullet list. But if you want to change its bullets, ओके ये बुलेट को हम चेंज करके कुछ स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स, इफ यू वांट टू इंसर्ट सम स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स, so what we are doing, we just write UL tag, then we just give the attributes type, then equal to opening bracket, double quotation. Inside the double quotation either we write the hash sign or in the place of hash we just write the star, whatever we want. Okay, then closing it and close the tag. So if I am given the hash sign, so in place of dot it show the hash coffee, hash tea, hash milk, like that. Okay, whatever special sign we are using, the browser's output with that particular sign. So this is called unordered list or a bullet list. Okay, now second one is order list. Order list is basically used to create a sequence. If we want to create a list with a specific sequence, so for that purpose we are using order list, and by default it shows the number 1 2 3, so that's why it's called the number list also. So how we will give the same process we are doing, HTML body, then heading, then order list and list item li tag, then closing the OL tag, then closing the body and HTML tag. Okay, so on here H2 tag show the heading tag, then order list, if we are not specify any types, it's by default take the number 1 2 3, and if we want to change this sequence or this numbers, so we just change its type. How we will give? Just same thing, just we are doing in unordered list. In order list we are also doing when we open the order list. Okay, so opening the order list, then type, then equal to, and here we specify the list order. Suppose A I am given, so in output it show A B C, like that. Then in place of A we write capital A, so it show capital A, capital B, capital C. These are the in sequence, but if we want to change its sequence, okay, in रोमन नंबर देंगे तो इसमें रोमन नंबर में आउटपुट आएगा. whatever we are inserted or specify on here. Okay, टाइप के बाद जो भी चीज़ हम स्पेसिफाई करते हैं द आउटपुट शो ऑन अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. Okay, suppose I am started my numbers with 4. So what we are doing, we just write ol tag, then type, here you give the space, then equal to and 4. So the output में कैसा आएगा 4 5 6. ठीक है, जो जिस नंबर से आपने स्टार्ट किया उसी नंबर से आपका लिस्ट आइटम शो होगा. Now next one is description list. Description list is also support a describing list. Actually previous we are showing that unordered list and order list, on there each items are shown below the other item. Okay, but in description list, if we want to show my list, suppose one item I am given and inside that 2 or 3 items I will give, then one item, then 2 or 3. So for these types of list, if we want to create, we just use description list. Okay, so a description list is a list of term with described each item. Okay, there are inside this we are using 3 different types of list. First one is describe list. It is a first one. Okay, opening the describe list and closing the describe list. Then we use dt tag or a terms. Okay, define the terms. So and then describe, these describes are define our terms clearly. Here dt, inside dt I am given coffee, then dd, which types of characters is coffee, it is a hot black drink, and then milk. Okay, it is white cold drink. So the way of given the dl, first dl tag, and inside the dl tag you must write dt tag, then after you write dd tag. And if you want to create your list just like here 1 and here 2, then 1, here 3 items if you want to give, so inside that dt you just write coffee. Okay, and dd we are using again dd after dd. Okay, inside the dt tag first you write the dt tag, what item you want to describe, and if you want to define two items if you want to define, so dd tag, then we give our content, then agar dd tag we give the content. Okay, then closing the dt tag, then open the dt tag, and again 3 times we are giving dd tag. So it will be used to create the list according to like that. Okay, first dd tag, then 2 times dd tag, then fit dt tag, then 3 times dd tag. Okay, so the output is like that. Suppose I am here given only one dd tag, dt tag, then dd tag. So it will be so, first define the data item define करेगा, then it will be describe which types of our data is there. Okay, so if we want to give more than one line on here, so here we just write more than one dd tag. Okay, in a separate line, so it will be create more descriptions of that particular item. So now let's revise today's work. First, unordered list. Unordered list is used to create a sequence without any number. Okay, without any specific order. Okay, an order list, it is specify one order to create a sequence or a list. Then inside that ul and ol we are giving list item. Then dl tag is a description list, and inside that we are using describe data and describe the particular items. Okay, so thank you, and try to do the practical.